another video, guys. So today I'm going to show you an amazing trick about the photography and the camera modes. So as I show you in my second maybe last video, just aperture riser and one state lighting about the studio lighting mode in your iPhone, just like if you are using the iPhone 6, 7, 8 or any versions down below the non-X devices. So you can download simply this trick and just install it, and you will get these options too, and nice with the nice blurry effect in your iPhone's photography. So this trick actually called aperture riser, and will cost like $1, but today I'm going to show you how you can get it freely, and I will also provide the repository. So you can just check out the repository in the description down below, so you can just tap on it, add to Cydia, and then just forget everything about it. So before we start the video, just I hope you guys are liking my video so much, so please hit the subscribe button. Yes, down below there it is, the red one, subscribe button, hit it. And then if you in the end, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get new stuff every time when I release another video about any tricks or anything else. So there we go. First you have to go to Cydia. This is a biometric lock. It will cost you about $3, but I will make another video about this so you can get it freely. And there we go. To Cydia, you have to search for, there we go, this is Cydia, and what you have to do is search for aperture riser. So AP, and there we go, the aperture riser is up here, and it's provided by the PacXI repository. So this is it. This is the difference between your normal camera and when you just download this trick. So you will get nice blurry effect every time when you just click on photos. So this is, there we go, this is a $1, 0.99 US dollar. So today I'm going to show you how you can get it freely. So there you go. Under the aperture riser, I have also installed the aperture riser correct. So what you have to do is just install it and then go back to the settings. About the repository, I have also write down in the description down below. So what you have to do is just install it and then just ping your device. Just go to settings, and you won't find anything like the payment method or your email ID. It won't ask for anything. It will just activation message on your screen when you just enter an aperture riser setting. So that's it, guys. You don't have to pay any penny for this trick. So there we go. And now we are going to look at the demo of the photography by the camera. So this is my iPhone 8. It's a single camera, not a dual mode. So let's find out the camera. There we go. There's the camera. There you can see the icon. Also you can use both tricks same at the time, just like aperture riser and a studio lighting mode at the same. If you want to know about the studio lighting, check out my old video, and you will find it over there, and it's also a free one. So recently just I have clicked this photo for demonstration. So this is it, guys. As you can see, this is a nice blurry effect. Let me zoom in first so you can see properly. So the background, there we go, this is the background. It's a really nice looking background with a blurry effect. So this is a single camera mode. Still I am just it's just a portrait mode, like just like that. So what you have to do is just go to edit. When you just tap on edit, you will find both of the options up here, just like this is the studio mode and lighting effect, a different one. There we go. And if you want this option in your iPhone, so you can check out the old videos. And then this is it, the focus, that means focus points, that means this is a depth effect for it. So as you can see, when I decrease, just look at the background. When I just decrease this option manually, it will fade up the background much blurry. There we go. Use it. Look at that. And it's a minimum focal length of 1.4, and when you just increase it, the background will much sharper and visibilize. So there you go. And then what you have to do is just if you want to set anything just like this in effect, and this one is a studio light, is excellent effect for this. And then done it. When you just done it, it will save into your camera roll. And there we go. Look at this. This tweak is amazing, and it will give you every time when you just click the photo, every time you can get this nice blurry effect in your old photos. So this is an amazing tweak. So guys, thank you so much. If you want to download and install this tweak, go to the repository and then you will find it freely. So next video about the biometric sensor for all application will be up soon. So stay tuned and stay with me, and hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get new stuff every time. Thank you so much guys.